Hello, welcome back to my channel, guys. I hope you guys are doing well today. Today is our Arizona snow day. It's snowing here in the Southwest. It's just wild. It never snows here, and it's snowing. I am here actually working on my realism fantasy painting, and I apologize if you're not able to get a real crisp clarity image or what's going on. You can see what I'm actually doing right now. So I am filling in the little the wings of the dragon. And what I'm actually doing with this particular area here, and if you have the capability to do so on your device, whether it's your Android, iPhone, or your pad, or your laptop, go ahead and just zoom in to the video, onto the right where the painting is, to the wing part, to see what I'm doing. If you're able to do that on any of your devices. If not, for the next video, or the next, I actually will move the camera closer so that you can be able to see what I'm doing. But this is just a general overview of what I'm doing with the wing. I'm just kind of giving the first good surface of the wings, and I'm putting a very thin coat of cadmium yellow paint along the sides, actually just on the first layer of the wings here. And I'm going to kind of be toggling back and forth between the cadmium yellow and the red, and just making a nice thin layer of the red yellow surface area for the coat of the wing. And so here, I kind of moved out of the way. I had to get more medium for some oil for my brushes. So as you can see here, I'm just what I've done with the horse. You've seen the Pegasus. Now I'm just kind of where my direction is going with the dragon wing. So I really want to start off with a thin layer here. I don't want to get too opaque. I actually never get too opaque when I'm building up the layers of the painting, and you will see that in my last series that I did. I want to be as thin as I possibly can with the wing, and I've already marked out and the shapes of the particular, because if you look closely, if you know anything about dragons, they're supposedly the methodicized they're the methodicized part of the reptilia species. And so if you look at any alligator, if you look at any snakes, if you look at any lizards, you're going to see their skin is that of just very you have these little diamond shapes that are everywhere. Diamond shapes, oval shapes, and they're never these perfect circles. They're just these kind of gathered or clustered together. And so you can see that's what I've already done for the very first layer of that. I put the marks there of the shapes of the pattern of the skin of the wing, whatnot, and it's my foundational surface for that. And then so from there I'm just building on. I'm pretty much just building on from that, and coloring in and painting in. And what you'll see on the next two videos, I'm going to be just getting more into detail and to more iridescent. You're going to see more iridescentness of that color kind of just coming through, and that's the very fine details that come. So I'm going to go ahead and just wrap this video up. There's going to be a continuation video, so please be sure to check that out. And there's also some videos that are before this one. Please go ahead and check those out as well before you check out the next one. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and like my videos. I appreciate all of their support, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Hi, thanks guys for stopping by and seeing my wonderful, awesome tutorials. I hope to see you guys again. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel and the videos. You can also follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also there's my official website at sinkia.com. If you want to buy any type of new art deals, any drawings, paintings, they're all there for you to see. It'll follow you over there. Just follow it over to the square.com website where you can actually buy and make purchases of everything. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you next time. Bye.